My second target will be all the way down here at 22.06 level.
Before I break down my analysis that I did on silver few days ago, and what is the right move for the future, let's discuss some important analysis for Bitcoin. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. Okay, so as the Bitcoin price was sideways for a couple of days, and how it was perfectly respecting the major demand zone under it, or we can call it the support zone. Look how the price came to that zone and immediately got reversed back up, leaving behind wicks only. And now finally the Bitcoin price got a huge move TADIPAAR upside, but I will tell you that why this is still not the right time to enter in a long position. So the price did made a big green candle, but right now also there is still a resistance above it. Until the price of Bitcoin does not break that resistance, there are no chances of going long for me. So I am waiting that either the price makes a bullish engulfing or Maribozu, or a healthy green candle with a decent volume to upside, then I can go long, or the price again go back down for a retest and then reverse to upside with huge bulls. Because right now, as you can see, there is no high volume of buyers. All of this is signifying that this can be a fake out to trap small traders, and the price can go down also. And if I go long on Bitcoin, my first target will be the recent high, that is at approximate $28,200 level. And my second target will be the blue zone or the supply zone above at $29,000 to $29,300 level. And here is my Bitcoin long position. This is an old position that is still opened, and if the price goes according to my analysis, then I will add more funds to this trade. And now let me show you a very important analysis, that why this can be a fake out the price of Bitcoin for some time can sustain in the existing range. So right now I am on the Bitcoin futures chart, and do look that earlier few days ago also there was a huge gap formed by Bitcoin price, and due to which and also according got my other analysis, I entered long, and then it made me insane profits. And same thing happened here also. The price did created a gap in between yesterday, that is on 7th of September, so as there is a coming weekend, and the futures market will be closed, and no movement in Bitcoin price. I expect that the price on Monday can go to till the gap to downside, and after that we can see a huge movement either to upside or downside. And now coming to the silver's chart. As I mentioned in my previous video, about a great opportunity forming on Sliver, and how you all can make money by it. And exact straight to the point analysis resulted in exact straight TADIPAAR point fall down, from my level that I told you, with a perfect candlestick indicating triggering a perfect short opportunity. Congratulations to all those traders who watched my analysis and more importantly did their own analysis too. Now as I also told you in my old video also, and same thing I will repeat that the price did came to our target one, and now there are chances that the price either can go reverse back up, or can continue sideways for some time. And so it is important to trail the existing trade. And booking 50 to 60% profits at target one is smart move, and now patiently waiting. And guys, if you want to trade like me silver, gold, or any other commodity, or US stocks, then you can easily do that on Exness. It's the best platform for trading stocks and commodity, and I personally use it. Just create an account on Exness from the link in description for free and start trading today.